Mix lemon juice and olive oil for amazing benefits. This drink gives us many vitamins and great benefits. But we shouldn't base our diet on this drink. Lemon juice and oil make a great complement to our diet. One of the natural ingredients we often hear about is olive oil. It is a healthy fat. It's also popular for its versatility in cooking and its high nutritional content. Mixing lemon juice and olive oil make a powerful home remedy. This mix provides a large number of nutrients. It can also help to calm some diseases and prevent complications from happening. 1. It fights constipation. Olive oil is a natural laxative because it smoothens the inside of your intestines and helps the stool retain more water so that it's softer. Lemon juice has anti-inflammatory properties, which can relax the intestines enough to produce a healthy bowel movement. The combination of lemon juice and olive oil is a great first step to relieving the painful condition of constipation. Harsh chemical laxatives may have side effects such as bloating, gas, and cramping, whereas lemon juice and olive oil will actually relieve those symptoms. 2. It is great for hair, skin, and nails. Your hair and nails are not technically living tissue, and as such, can become dry and brittle without external moisturizing. Lemon juice and olive oil do a fantastic job of moisturizing while also providing essential nutrients. This magic combo also has antiseptic and astringent properties, which makes it a useful toner for skin. The mixture is thought to fight issues related to dry, scaly skin or dandruff. 3. Helps reduce abdominal fat. This mixture isn't a fat burner like some other natural remedies. Using it as a supplement can certainly help you get rid of excess weight. The properties in lemon juice and olive oil help both your liver and your gallbladder. These are two of the biggest factors when it comes to healthy digestion of fats and increased metabolism. These ingredients also contain essential fatty acids that help satisfy hunger, and provide diuretic and anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids metabolize the fat stored in your abdomen, which also aids in reducing your risk for heart problems. 4. Helps controlling blood pressure. This natural remedy is very helpful for people with high blood pressure due to a large number of antioxidants and minerals it contains. Taking it along with breakfast can help control blood pressure spikes and promote a healthy heart rate. 5. Fights premature aging. Just 1 spoonful of this mixture every day will keep your skin healthy and youthful. The mixture contains vitamin E, which is essential in fighting wrinkles, arthritis and heart disease. The mixture also contains monosaturated fats and essential minerals that help your organs and your digestive system to function properly. How to prepare a mixture of lemon juice and olive oil. Add 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 tablespoon 5 milliliters of fresh lemon juice. Combine the lemon juice and olive oil. Drink the mixture half an hour before breakfast. You can take this remedy every day. To get the most benefits, take it at least 3 times a week. Not only are these ingredients very common, but now you know all the amazing health benefits they can provide. So, what are you waiting for to start taking this fantastic natural remedy?